You gonna give your brother a hug? Give Nolan a hug. Give Tessa a hug. Aw, that's nice. That's nice. Can you give Nolan a hug? Give Tessa a hug. Aw, that's nice. Aw. That's nice. Nice hugs. Is that your brother? Is that your big brother? By 17 minutes? Are you all done cuddling? Whoop, bonk. I think Tessa's over it. Aww. Nolan just woke up. I think you should give hugs again. That was really cute. Oh, no, we're just going to steal. Okay. Say bye-bye. Good job. Good job.